this is a look. Hi, it's Tiny1/Bishie, and yeah, I washed my hair and letting it dry, so that's why it looks the wet look. I don't know. So I had been wanting to color. This is recorded on February 29th. I had wanted to color my hair on February 27th. I had a class that day. I had a couple other stuff that I wanted to do. And yeah, one of the things I planned to do was color my hair. But I'd also planned to do some yard work. And if I did yard work, I'd have to take a shower afterwards because I'd be a hot, sweaty mess. And then the next day, on the 28th, I would color my hair. That did not happen. I ended up doing my yard work only a little tiny bit on the 28th, which completely screwed up my plans, set my energy, and so now I have to wait until Thursday to color my hair, which will be March 6th, I think. Yep, March 5th is when I can possibly color my hair. March 5th or March 6th, so. And much thanks, oh, my hair is going to my ear. Oh, I didn't like that sensation. Much thanks to my friend, Sage, who did all that work for my hair, bleached it, colored it, Personally, though, I don't like how the bleach made my hair feel. It made my hair feel horrid and gross and And so in the future, yeah, I'll want to color my hair again possibly, but probably just put the color on my dark hair and then just have it as highlights. Just because I just hated the way that bleach messed with my hair that much. Unless we can find a bleach that won't give me the straw man look, unless I condition it like I have a lot. Then yeah. Anyways, that's a quick update to why my hair is starting to fade out in color. But yeah, I do have plans to color it. Don't worry about it. There will be a failed color video upcoming. Keep an eye out for it. But this is the reason for this video. Oof. So, my friends, when they give me gifts, make me gifts, whatever, they go big. And I appreciate every single one of them because you can tell, especially the ones that they even the ones that they don't handmade, when they pick them out, it's from love. It's from the idea of seeing the look on my face and seeing how happy their little gift of appreciation makes me. Does that make any sense? I don't know. It makes sense to me. So, and like the octopus hats that my friend Whimsy Rainbow Star made for me, that was, we walked through the details and all that, and I paid her and I tipped her for that hat, and that's how appreciative I was. I am equally appreciative of my friends who give me gifts, and that's what this is. Unfortunately, I can't find any of my knives, so this will have to do. Now, this was given to me by EmeraldSwaggr, I believe. Yes, EmeraldSwaggr on Twitter. I will link his information below. But the exact tweet that he did on February 21st was coffee is object in object. Excited to see what my friend thinks of this object. Care package sent out on Monday. And I said, did I hear something? And he replied, yes, I think you'll like it. And then my reply is, woo, can't wait to do another product review. Just got to make sure 2 certain kitties aren't in the room because they like to stick their tails in everything. You'll see what I mean in just a moment. So let's go back to where you can see my face. And this care package is quite heavy. So paper. Okay. Oh my God, I can smell it already. Oh. Okay. So here is one. Oh no, did it break? Oh no. Oh, it broke. Oh no. Yeah, there's glass. Crap. What about the other one? Did the other one break? Does it? Okay, well. This one didn't break, so I can show this one. So this is basically what he made for me. And it's, ooh, I like how that feels. Basically, he wanted people to name scents that they liked and all that, and he would make candles exactly for them. So this one, I believe, is berry scented. Ouch. Isn't that pretty? So I know some of my scents that I said were berry, coffee, black cherry, you know, those sort of scents. And that's what this is. This actually looks like a sorbet. I love it. Okay, let's blow that one out for now. And God, that puts so much illumination in my face. Holy crap. Okay, so God, I want to take this one out, even though it's broken. So trying to be as careful as possible removing this. I'm so sad. So, as you can see, this is the one. Now it's got the broken glass. So sad. I mean, I can still do the candle. Actually, no, I can't. Because if you look, there's cracks all through this one. And I don't blame him. That was not his fault at all. I mean, one survived, the other one didn't. I made sure to be careful with the packages because I knew what was in it. So I don't know. Oh, so disappointing. But there is more in here. This one is very heavy. Ooh. Oh my God. So this is a Starbucks mug. I believe that's a blueberry. It's got a blueberry candle inside. So awesome. Let's see. I want to get at some point that looks so cool. At some point I want to get one of those. Oh my God, it like illuminates me so well. One of those let's blow you up for a second. Long wick type lighters so that I don't have to be that close to stuff. Okay. So here's another one. Yeah. Let's move you a bit. This is very pretty. This says apple cinnamon. Look how pretty that looks. I like how it, like I said, I like how it illuminates my face. So cool. I'm going to be upset if the coffee one was the only one that broke. Oh my God, I think this is pumpkin spice. It doesn't say. But it looks like pumpkin spice. Let's see. And I like the green, I like the colors that he picked out for all of them. This is just tragedy. Look, you can see it even more in the light. God. The coffee one had to be the one that broke. And I know he's going to be a bit sad too. But again, I don't blame him. I'm very happy to get all these candles and all these beautiful scents. And it's nice and relaxing to have them up on my desk when I don't have cats around. And it's calming, and I can just look into the flame and just lose myself for a bit, help relax. I have a couple other candles that my sister gave me. I don't know. But these are awesome. I'm very grateful that he was able to do that for me. And yes, so that is my candle review. Yes, I'm a candle person. I'm a candle person. I'm a stuffy person. I am an all-around person. But yeah, I'm so happy to have gotten this gift. That was so thoughtful of him, especially the ones that he made himself. And then the little goodies that were tossed in are awesome. Unless, it makes me wonder if he got this and like hollowed them out and then poured his own mixture in it, because that would be cool. And then just like left a sticker on the bottom, because that would be really cool. But yes, handmade gifts are awesome gifts, and I greatly appreciate them. You can tell that he made these with a lot of love and a lot of time and patience, and yeah. So check him out down below. His Twitter, I'm gonna link it. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.
So I thought I'd post a little update. I was about to say, really? Post a little update about the one candle that was broken. As you can see, what my roommate's solution was to break off the excess glass that was broken and spiderwebbed, and we just left this part of the candle exposed, and then we put it in this little Pyrex bowl, and this was going to be the first one that I was going to let burn, you know, just to get it over with, and it made some pretty interesting little patterns, but I don't know if the pink in there was intentional or not, but it made some interesting little patterns. It has that little piece up there, and then here's some of the wax that melted off into the little bowl. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. This is the very first, and it doesn't got an over heavy scent. It's just got the faintest scent of coffee, which is good, because I know a lot of there are some people like me that are sensitive to scents, and so not having over smelly candle is a very good thing. You just get the, oh, what's that smell, you know? Not like, oh my god, and it's overwhelming. But yeah, this is the solution. It's got some pretty interesting little patterns and such that it made into a little pool. Yeah, I'm thankful to my roommate that he was able to save this candle in the best way possible, so that I could start burning it, and appreciate all the hard work that my friend did. But yeah, I just wanted to give a little update, because I know some people are probably wondering what was going to happen to this candle. If I was just going to end up throwing it out, if my friend was going to have to mail it to me. I did message him. I let him know that they arrived. I sent him photos. I even sent him this photo. But I let him know about my roommate's solution to it, so I don't know if he hasn't responded yet, so I'm not sure what he'll say, but yeah. So, and as you can tell, I'm being very careful not to excess touch it or anything like that. Honestly, I do like the little pink that's coming in there. I don't know if that's bleed out from one of the other candles that he was working on, but it's really, I think it's really cool. It wants to focus on the glad box and not the candle itself. But yeah. Anyways, again, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay happy, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye.